welcome back to my channel. Today I am back with another review for Noodles nail polish. They sent me their winter collection so I can swatch and share with you, and it's really cute. This is an 8-piece collection. It's priced at $10.50. Each polish is priced at $10.50, and it's releasing on Friday the 17th at 5 p.m. Eastern Time on the Noodles nail polish website, linked in the description box down below. If you're interested, be sure to check them out. Their polishes are super stinking cute. I love them so much. This first one is Best in Snow, and it's described as a very pale periwinkle leans blue crelly with silver metallic and white matte glitters and silver hollow flakies. This is just a super, it's like a, I don't know, it's like an icy blue to my eye. I think it is so pretty. Seriously, so pretty. I find that light blues can be difficult for me to wear. I don't feel like they look good on me, but I think that this looks really, really good. And the name is super cute. I applied 2 coats. You can make out some nail line or some sheerness with my 2 coats. If you like it to be fully covered, I would go in with a thicker second coat, or if you like thinner coats, go in with 3. I think that that would suffice, but I just did stick with 2. And you guys know I don't mind seeing nail line at all, so it wasn't a problem for me. It's definitely going to need some top coat to smooth things out and to add some shine, and it will be difficult to remove because it's got a lot of glitter. The next one is a blanket fort, and this is a pale gray crelly with white mint and pale blue matte glitters and a touch of fine metallic silver glitters. This is another one that I applied 2 coats for. Again, if you want more opacity, go ahead and throw on that 3rd coat or go on with the thicker second coat. I stopped at 2 though. Again, it's going to need some top coat to smooth things out and to add some shine, and removal will be difficult. This one here is Cozy Sherpa, and it's a glitter topper, and I'm obsessed. I'm obsessed with this one. It's so cute. It's a clear base glitter topper with scattered hollow copper metallic and hollow glitters and matte white glitters. I applied 2 coats for this. I think in the future I would just apply 1. I like to see my nail under those glitters. You guys know how I am with this. So I would just apply 1 on my natural nail, but if you want to build it up in 3 coats, I imagine, or just use it as a topper. I think at 2 coats it was just a little bit more glitter than I was seeking at the time, but I mean, that's kind of the nice thing about nail polish, right? Wear it how you like. So just like the others, this is packed with glitter, so definitely gonna need that top coat to smooth everything out and add that shine, and removal will be difficult. This next one is Flannel Sweater, and it's described as a berry red jelly with violet gold shimmer, silver metallic flakes, blue purple iridescent flakes, and glitter and hollow flakies. This one was super smooth, super smooth. I built it up in 2 coats. There's not a whole lot of glitter in this, so this one is definitely easier to remove, so do keep that in mind if you don't like a difficult removal and you don't use the nail polish remover clips, which if you're not, highly suggest them. I built this one up in 2 coats. The formula is super smooth, and with that brush, I mean, it was like it applied itself. I loved applying this one. So again, 2 coats, added top coat for shine, and it doesn't have as much glitter in it, so it's not as difficult to remove. Next up we have Ski Squad, and this is a plum berry crelly with silver, rose, lavender, and periwinkle glitters, both metallic and matte. Another 2 coater from Noodles. I applied top coat to smooth everything out and to add some shine, and removal was difficult because it's got a lot of glitter. This next one is Snowberry, and it's described as a berry jelly with silver hollow, rose metallic, and copper metallic glitters. I built this one up in 2 coats. It's got a lot of glitters in there, and this one actually reminds me of Cranberry Twist, which is just more vibrant, I want to say. It's more vibrant than Cranberry Twist, so if you like that one, I think you might be interested in this one. I applied 2 coats with this, added top coat to smooth things out and to add some shine, and removal is difficult. There's a lot of glitter. We are down to the last 2 polishes. This one in my hand is Twilight Mountains, and it's described as a semi-sheer gray crelly with aqua blue purple shifting shimmer, white matte glitters, and silver and aqua metallic glitters. Definitely on the sheer side. I just applied 2 coats. That's what I stick with typically, and I I really like it. It's got that pop of purple shift, right? And there is some light manipulation required to see it, but it doesn't take much effort. So it's not, you know, you're not jumping through hoops to get that effect. It's just this subtle pop of color when you move your hand around, and I really enjoyed that aspect of it. Again, I kept it at 2 coats. At 3 coats, I imagine it's going to be even more pronounced with that shift, but at 2 coats, I can see it just fine. I did go ahead and apply top coat to smooth things out and to add some shine, and removal is difficult because of that glitter. And the last one is Winter Park. This is described as a clear-based flaky topper, which can be built up in 3 coats with aqua, pink shifting flakes, pink hollow and metallic glitters, silver hollow glitters, and white matte glitters. I applied 2 coats. Like I said, that's just kind of the norm for me. And now I'm interested to see what it looks like at 3 coats. I might test that in the future, but I think I'm probably just gonna stick with 1. That's how I feel lately. I like the way that these toppers have been looking at just 1 coat. So I think that's probably how I'm gonna find myself wearing it. But there's that variety there with you. This one has a ton of flakies in it. So my biggest recommendation, and I know I say this a lot, just let those coats dry before moving on to the next. Starting with the first coat. If you're gonna apply 3 coats, let that second coat dry, because those flakies just move around and they make a big mess. And if you're anything like me, you go down this rabbit hole of like trying to fix it, and then it just becomes a bigger mess, and it just like, just start over. A whole waste of time, a waste of polish, just start over. So that's my biggest tip for anybody getting into these flaky polishes. Just let them dry down. Take your time, it's worth it. So I applied 2 coats, added top coat to smooth things out and to add some shine. And removal will be difficult. There's some glitter in this. My favorites are these 5 right here. I have Winter Park, Best in Snow, Twilight, Mountain, Snowberry, and Cozy Sherpa. I cannot narrow it down to 1. I can narrow it down to 2 though. If I could only pick up 2, I would choose Best in Snow and Cozy Sherpa. They give you kind of the best of both worlds, right? You have a topper, or you can wear it on its own, and then this one will give you full nail coverage. And I think that this gives me like a clean manicured look. It kind of gives me the vibe I feel when I see people with white nails, like they're wearing white nail polish. I've tried doing that and I feel like it just looks crusty. I can never execute that look. But I feel like this is, I mean, it's so different, but it's just, it looks clean, like a white manicure does on some people. So anyways, those are my picks. I'm gonna leave all the information that you need for this collection in the description box down below. Be sure to check out the brand. They don't just have this collection, they have other polishes up there as well. They did just release their Valentine's trio, which, if you haven't seen my review, spoiler alert, so stinking cute, filled with pinks, love it so much. I will leave that review in the iCard and in the description as well if you want to check it out. But that's it. That's all I got for you guys. I hope you enjoyed this video, and I will see you in my next one. Bye!